Hi, this is Cams in Lamlash on the Isle of Arran. I'm a guitar teacher and I have some space in my schedule. I can teach a variety of styles, whether it be bluegrass, flat picking or accompaniment, folk, pop, blues, country. I can teach you to accompany your singing, how to improve your rhythm style, any kind of genre you can think of apart from classical. If you would like to book a lesson, please get in touch. You can find me and an example of what I can do over at acousticguitar.io. I've also published some short lessons on YouTube, which will give you an idea of my style and the sorts of things that I can teach you. So please look up my YouTube channel, acousticguitar.io. And you can also find me on Facebook, where I have a page, Acoustic Guitar I.O. And on that page you'll find a booking widget that shows you my services and availability. So you can click the widget and book a time and we'll start a conversation. If that's something you would like to do, please get in touch and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.